As an IT leader, delivering faster time to value in your M&A events starts with employee productivity. If your people can't get access to the applications and resources they need to work, integration will stall and value start to diminish. So how can you avoid that and get your people productive starting on day zero? Let's find out how. This is Dan from the Cross-Cloud Services team at VMware, and in this episode of the Multi-Cloud Report, we're covering employee productivity in an M&A event. Bringing together two companies means merging their employee bases, their devices, and their applications. But these run on different infrastructure, different networks, and come with different security practices. So how can you address these differences and get your employees productive on day zero, shortening the time to value for your integration? There are two key technologies in the VMware Cross-Cloud Services portfolio that can address these challenges. The first is Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub. On day zero, when the deal is announced, Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub can be the central location for all news and announcements and information related to the deal for employees of the target company. Then on day one, when the deal closes, you can add all of your HR and IT onboarding steps to the same location. With everyone now familiar with Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub, you can start to add all the applications employees need to work, whether these are from a SaaS provider or built on cloud infrastructure. And you can do this before you've even integrated identity providers or the infrastructure they run on, so everybody can get productive as fast as possible. The next technology is VMware Horizon, a virtual desktop infrastructure solution. And this has two key uses during M&A integration. First, instead of buying new laptops, employees from the target company can continue to use what they have and run a virtual desktop of the parent company's operating system, giving them secure access to new resources, which also avoids the cost of buying these employees new hardware, which can be in the millions. But the value doesn't end there. Take, for example, a sales rep who can now access the inventory system of their new parent company and bring that into a customer meeting to increase their deal size. The second use case is for high security integration teams prior to close. They can use VMware Horizon as a secure platform for sharing information between the two parties with strict data controls. Now let's watch my colleague Jack Madden walk through the VDI experience for this use case.
You can see here that we have a physical device, in this case a Mac, which in an M&A scenario would be owned and managed by the target company. Now, we're going to click and open the virtual desktop from VMware Horizon. This is Workspace ONE Intelligent Hub that is being used to launch the Horizon client. Now, much of the audience is familiar with VDI, but for those that aren't, this desktop is a VM that's running in a data center. The BLAST protocol is streaming down the video and audio and relaying the keyboard and mouse inputs back up. There's much more that makes the experience very rich, but for now, note that this is where the IT teams supporting transition could add many types of data loss prevention controls. These can range all the way from blocking copy and paste, local drive mapping, and printing, up to watermarking, keylogger prevention, and in the Windows and Mac clients, blocking screen capture.
Whether the investment thesis for your M&A event is entering new markets, gaining new customers, or new product innovation, you need your people connected and productive to drive the change that you want to see. Each of the technologies we covered in the Cross-Cloud Services portfolio can help you speed up your time to value in an M&A event through faster onboarding and pre-integration planning. Stay on track with the rest of this series, the 5 phases of highly efficient IT M&A integration, by following the VMware Multi-Cloud blog and crosscloud.vmware.com. Thank you.